Hey, do you want to know how you can start work from home and get decent income? Watch this complete video to get your answers. In this video, I'm going to tell you where you can get work from home options and how you need to be aware of scammers and how much income you can expect per hour. While the coronavirus is the most trending topic on the news and your WhatsApp groups, it is next going to impact financial status and job. The impact of the virus and actions taken by governments is affecting call center businesses worldwide, and some industries are experiencing one of their worst crises. This long shutdown will force many call centers to cut costs and lay off employees. If the economy goes into recession, many of you may face the risk of losing jobs. The issue is about the financial struggle since your monthly installments and other expenses do not stop. Finding a new job in the recession will be a massive challenge, and hence you need to have a better plan in place. Now, in this environment, when most of the countries are under lockdown, there is a high level of uncertainty when the offices will open and when you can get another job. The only solution to this problem is to find some kind of work or job while doing work from home. It should be a reliable source that gives you weekly or monthly stable income to pay off your expenses. I have also received some queries asking if there is any business or call center that can be started from home. Now, when we talk about call center business or work from home, you need to list down your expertise you can offer to people. In case if you have any past experience, then it will be added advantage. Many candidates already have experience working for some reputed firms. You can list down your key skills, like you may be really good at customer skills or outbound sales. In that case, there are many businesses will need your skills to get some lead generation done for their company. If you have experience in debt collection or data entry, then you may get requirements from finance campaigns to get their work done. To get this work, there are a couple of things these companies they will look for. The very first thing is if you have such relevant experience in the past. The second thing is if you can work in the night shifts or suitable timings when the client needs you. The third thing is if you already have a required resources like power backup and good internet connection along with a laptop or computer. Companies may ask you to send the proposal and quotation with proper pricing to make the final decision. These companies will also look for the plan of scalability. In case if they send you more work in short time, they will see how you plan it in advance to hire more people and get project delivered. Comment below if you meet these requirements, and I will be happy to help you to find next assignment to work from home. Now I'm going to share with you a few important websites where you can get work from home option to generate some more income. The very first one is Appen. Appen is a technology service company based in Australia. However, they have offices in the US, United Kingdom as well. They provide opportunities in 130 countries around the world. The company works with some of the biggest companies in the world, including 8 of the top technology companies. It supports more than 1 million contractors around the world. Appen offers positions that are flexible, part-time and home-based. You can work either a few hours a week or full-time. Positions are available in transcription, translation, linguistic, engineering, marketing, finance and sales. They even offer micro-tasks, which are smaller jobs that can be done within an hour. The second company is Working Solutions. Working Solutions is based in Dallas, Texas and has been around since 1996. They provide home-based customer service and sales agents. Positions are available for retail, telecommunication, finance, healthcare, travel and energy. The company employs over 110,000 independent contractors from across the US. You can work full-time, part-time or freelance and always remotely. There are various positions open for customer care representatives. The third company in my list is Amazon. Seattle-based Amazon is one of the companies most commonly associated with jobs from home. This company employs well over 90,000 workers and is the largest online retailer in the world. You can access Amazon jobs from home on their virtual location page. Jobs are available mostly on full-time basis. Current positions available include sales, advertising, account management, etc. There are a few more websites where you can get work from home like freelance.com or upwork.com. Now the next important point we will discuss about finding work from home is avoiding scams. I have observed many people have posted on social media that they have a lot of assignments for work from home. So I want to make you aware that not all offers are legit and you need to be very careful while finding such opportunities. If they are asking you at front fees or some kind of deposit, then it is a sign or indication that the process may not be legit. If the companies are in real need to get their work done, then they will never ask any employees to pay any fees. Genuine companies will pay you on hourly basis or for a particular task. The average pricing offered for any basic work should be between $5 to $11. Now the next important point is work structure. When you work from home, it is generally termed as a consultant or freelancer. In some ways, freelancing is like a contract work in that you are hired by a company to provide a service. In most cases, you can work as a sole proprietor. However, you can turn your freelance work into a real business. You can start your business by offering the same services but under a company name and different business structure. So these were the important tips on work from home options to generate your revenue. Make sure you click here to watch my next video on call center income and salary. Also make sure to subscribe below and hit the bell notification to stay updated about my weekly videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.